Let's begin Nadishuddi Pranayama. Adapt Chin Mudra in your left hand, touching your tip of the thumb and index finger. And in your right hand, adapt Nasika Mudra. Fold your index finger and middle finger. Sit in a comfortable position with head neck back straight. Close your eyes. Make sure your head neck back upright. Any yogic posture, or you can sit in chair or in the sofa. And very important is no tension in the shoulder, no tension in the neck, and breathe slowly and deeply couple of times before beginning your pranayama practice. Once you're ready to practice pranayama, Nadishuddi Pranayama practice, test your nostril, which nostril is very active and which nostril is passive. Like this. Hold your hand in front of your nose and you may notice breathing is coming slightly more in one of the nostril. Suppose if your right nostril is very active and right nostril will produce more breathing and left side is passive. And once you notice the active and passive nostril, begin inhale from both the side and exhale from that active nostril. Like this. Here we demonstrate from left nostril one round. Inhale from both the side and exhale from your left nostril slowly and deeply. Then inhale from your left nostril slowly and deeply. Close both the side. Open your right nostril. Exhale from your right nostril deeply and slowly without any body movements. Again, inhale from right nostril deeply and slowly. Close your right nostril. Exhale from your left nostril deeply and slowly. This is one round. Like that you can do 9 to 27 rounds. Remember mistakes. Mistake number 1, turning your nose right and left. Mistake number 2, turning your face right and left. Mistake number 3, bending your neck right and left. Mistake number 4, lifting your shoulder, tensing your neck, tensing your shoulder. All these mistakes you have to avoid during Nadishuddi Pranayama practice. And learn how to close and open your nostril. You have to press near the cartilage where you can see the curve using tip of the fingers. And before starting Nadishuddi Pranayama, exercise your fingers. And you must able to move your both fingers, your thumb and your index finger together like this. This will help you to close your nostril without using wrongly. And also when you put pressure on your nostril, learn the finger is showing you it is slowly turning into yellow color. So like that you must able to apply the pressure properly. And when you close both the side, you have to press both side evenly like this, so that there is no deviation in the septum of the nostrils. And when you breathe, breathing should be very gentle, very subtle. And when you hold your cotton piece, it should not move. So this is the correct way of breathing while inhaling, while exhaling in any pranayama. Apart from Kapalabhati and Bhastrika, the cotton piece should not move. That much subtle and slower. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, share with your family and friends. Let everyone get benefits. We'll see you in another video. Till then, keep enjoying your practice, stay with Yoga Darshanam, and Dhanyavad.